do one, otherwise I'll ring the police.
I'm trying to be reasonable with you.
And I'm telling you, it's private property. Why would I allow you to fly a drone over our site? I've got millions of pounds worth of stock in here.
Yeah.
I do not want people seeing a video of the layout of our site.
Your security guard is doing a great job, innit? So I won't worry about it. Honestly, mate, I'm here to reassure you that there's nothing wrong.
Right. I'm telling you now, I'll just call the police and they'll move you.
That's just a waste of their time, really, isn't it?
Well, I'm not bothered. You're wasting my time. I'm busy and you're not flying a drone over my site.
Don't let me keep you, mate. You get back.
It's all right, mate. No worries.
All I wanted to do...
Yeah, you're not doing it, mate.
It was going to be a nice video as well. Paint you in a good light.
This guy's trying to fly a drone over our site for YouTube. It's not happening.
Just wanted to take some drone footage, that's all.
Why would we do that? You know what I mean?
My friend, I think you're a bit mistaken about what's going on.
I'm not mistaken at all, mate. I do not want our site on YouTube because it will compromise the security of our site. It's not happening. Okay,
and my job now is to reassure you that it's fine. What about Google Maps when the plane went over?
Interested, mate.
You're not interested in what? You're not interested in what? Any reasonable conversation? No, come on. What about Google Maps? Well, if you're going to stop talking, then I'm just going to continue. So, well, I'll leave you to it then, mate, all right?
You're not flying that drone over my site, mate.
I'm trying to have a conversation with you about it to reassure you. Yeah, but I don't have to wait.
Reassure me as much as you want, mate. It's not happening.
It is.
No,
I'm doing it right now, mate.
No, you're not.
Listen, if you think that you, working inside them gates, can stop a member of the public outside doing whatever they want, you're mistaken.
Okay.
All right.
We'll see about that.
Yeah, we will see.
Yeah.
We will see.
I'll tell you what, I'll take that drone off and drive over.
Do it then. Do it then. Let's see.
Why don't you just fuck off, pal?
Don't you talk to me like that.
And there it is. The moment it turns from disagreement to straight up aggression. Threatening to take the drone and telling a civilian to off. That's not protecting the site. That intimidation. Pure and simple. You don't get to enforce your feelings with your fists.
I've tried to be reasonable with you.
Standing on my property.
I've tried to be reasonable with you, but you are not. Yeah, come on then. Come on then. Come on, let's see you. Let's see you. Let's see you. Do not approach a member of the public like that. That is disgusting.
Get off my property.
I'm not on your property, so shut.
You find you're on our property, mate.
What is that? That bit of road there? That's where you cross over, you fool.
Please.
There's no please, sir, about it. I'm taking the drone up and carrying on my lawful activity. I've tried to explain to him that there's nothing wrong with it.
It is a private property, so please do not film it.
Well, I'm afraid the drone's going up.
Kind enough to ask you again, please do not do that. Be so
Listen,
kind.
my friend, I've tried to be reasonable with you. Would you like me to show you the law?
Please do not film the property.
Unfortunately...
Kindly enough asking you, do not do that.
Yeah, I've listened to you. Can I reply?
Yeah, go on.
I've travelled all this way to make a video of bargain booze, okay? So I'm not going to have it a wasted journey. I'm on the outside. I'm not inside your boundary. I'm not on your premises. Wait. It's a lawful activity flying a drone, okay? So I'm going to continue. Please leave me alone. Off you go. You can't stop this either.
Please, it's not good. Do not do that. Please. Yes?
Yeah, and I'm asking you, please leave me alone. I'm outside.
I cannot allow that, mate. Just don't fly the drone.
The drone is going up.
He makes it clear that operating a drone in open airspace is completely legal. Security can shout demands all day long, but the sky isn't theirs to control.
Because, listen, if I leave without the drone footage, I've not achieved what I wanted to achieve today. I've travelled all this way to make my video, and it will include the drone footage. I've tried to be reasonable with him. I've tried to be reasonable with you.
I'm reasonable. I'm not raising my voice.
Well, he did.
And I'm trying to be courteous. Please do not do that.
Yeah, and I've asked you, and I've politely declined your request. I've declined.
You declined your request to fly a drone over our property.
Yeah, and I was about to get to that. It's not a request. I'm simply informing you. No, I'm not asking. I'm telling you what's going to happen. Yeah. Oh, it ain't. How would people cross the road?
Private property.
How would people cross the road? Yeah, let me just show the viewers that are watching where we are. So, you've got a public footpath over there, and they would cross the road just here. So I'm literally standing where that fire hydrant is, just there, and he's saying, get off my property. I've never met such an unprofessional employee.
When the person making threats is the same one insisting he's defending the business, that's a serious red flag. Rather than calming things down, he chooses to posture, giving everyone a clear example of how public accountability should not be handled.
Who's on their way, mate?
Don't tell him, Bob. Doesn't matter.
Don't tell him.
He was on his way. Please, I'll kindly ask you for the last time. Please, just leave it be.
That's definitely going to be the last time, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
You're not going to comply with that.
No. I've explained to you nicely that I've come here today. I don't want to come on your site. I'm staying outside.
We're saying that's not nice or anything.
Yeah, but I'm making my video. I'm making my video from the outside. You're not getting it.
Yes, I do get it. Trust me on that one. I do get it.
Okay, let me ask you in a different way.
Go on.
Do you own this land? Does Bargain Booze and Bestway own this land here?
We operate on it. Our business is located on it.
Yeah. Okay. So let's just say the answer is.
Let's just say.
Let's just say the answer
is to avoid anything happening to this property. Yeah.
Yeah. Let's just say the answer to that one is yes. Then, yeah. Now, next question. Do you own the airspace?
Drone in open airspace is completely legal. Security can shout demands all day long, but the sky isn't theirs to control. Interview 2. When the person making threats is the same one insisting he's defending the business, that's a serious red flag. Rather than calming things down, he chooses to posture, giving everyone a clear example of how public accountability should not be handled. Interview 3. That's the final strike. Only the Civil Aviation Authority has power over the skies, and this group clearly isn't them. It's a perfect example of authority being challenged and exposed when it overreaches.
Try to be reasonable with you, but you are not. Yeah, come on then. Come on then. Come on, let's see you. Let's see you. Let's see you. Do not approach a member of the public like that.
Don't put that drone on me.
Shut up, man. I've had enough of you.
You've had enough of me?
Yeah.
Have you?
Yeah.
I'm telling you, do not put that drone in.
Yeah, and I've told you, mind your own business.
Run over it in the truck, mate.
Yeah, I'd like to see you try. I would like to see you try.
Stop trying to ring me, but I'll have a boat to the police, so
Don't try to stop him, mate. Just don't want to do that.
You told me that was the last time you was going to ask me, so please don't ask
again.
It's
not going to be the last time. I'm going to do my job, mate. So please do avoid that.
Do not get too close to me, all right? Do not.
What do you define as too close, my friend?
Right, that's it.
What do you define as too close? I'm not gonna get...
Stop approaching me, that's your final warning.
He issues the same threat more than once. This isn't a slip of the tongue, it's intentional hostility. By now, it's no longer about protecting property. It's about pressuring someone through fear.
Final warning, stop approaching me, as I will defend myself.
I cannot do that, mate.
Mate, do what?
What the?
Please.
What the fuck were you going to do then?
Please.
Get off me!
Oh, yeah.
I'm not on you.
Ah, you are winding me up big time, my friend.
Please.
Stop approaching me.
Do not try to do something. Please.
Right, I'm going to have to cross the road here because these guys are being absolute tyrants. So let's get a little bit further away. Let's de-escalate the situation. And let's do what we needed to do. And get our drone footage from Bargain Booze. Here in Crewe.
Mate, change the phone, the police are on the way. Don't fly that drone over my site, I'm telling you now.
Please get the drone down, mate. Please. That's the last time, mate. I don't want to get anything to do with it. I don't want to lose my job. So please get that drone away.
I've offered you the law, my friend. You didn't want to see it. So please leave me alone.
I do want to do my job, and that's...
Go and secure your site, please. It was a metre away from the public highway. So that was bargain booze. An overreaction.
An entire breakdown sparked by a simple drone flight ending in threats, name-calling, and even police intervention. And the most ironic part? The security gate stood wide open the whole time.
Before we move on. Channel?
Yeah, YouTube.
Oh, you're watching, dear?
No, you're one of these antagonisers, aren't you?
No, I'm staying outside, mate.
Yeah, just winding people up, don't you?
Have you come over to me to try and wind me up?
No.
Okay, I'm walking away.
Yeah, I'm staying with you. I'm just interested.
You're flying the drone at the minute, just bear with me.
Yeah. Can we get some of these pictures?
Yeah, of course you can.
Quite interesting, aren't they?
It's a panoramic one at the minute.
Is it?
It's just taking lots and stitching them all together.
Nice, yeah. Why don't you try AO next door? That's an interesting site as well, isn't it? Yeah.
When bullies run out of options, they turn personal throwing insults, mocking jobs, and pretending it's about security. In reality, it's just bruised egos on display. And with every cheap shot, the auditor comes across even more composed and resilient.
So this is the drone.
Oh, he's ready.
Sorry?
He's ready, he's prime. Not that you were expecting it, no?
I have it ready anyway.
Yeah, of course
I offered it to you earlier. Remember when I offered you the law earlier?
Yeah.
And you said you didn't want to see it?
Yeah.
I'll see if Tom wants to see it. I can try, can't I? Be reasonable. I have to show the viewers that I'm always reasonable. Because obviously you've seen other people and you're comparing me to those.
Yeah.
So what we've got...
Go back to...
There's no requirement either. No requirement? No. My friend, before you go, can I get a copy of that, please?
What's the reasoning behind it?
Are you want to chat with me, sir? Is that okay?
Well, actually...
Well, obviously I'll be able to talk to everyone in a second. I can't talk to everyone. Right,
Just stay there.
What's been going on today?
Now it's decision time. From the start, the auditor presents the evidence facts, the law, and clear video proof. And it doesn't take long for the police to see that the true aggressors weren't the ones holding the camera.
About an hour. I'm covering industrial estates and I make videos, interesting videos.
Watch your back on the road.
We're on the pavement, come on.
Busy looking at me, won't
Come on, look. I'm being reasonable, and I've tried to be reasonable with these as well, but when I get silly requests, I can't accept it.
Right.
So anyway.
That you're filming over the...
I am an industrial estate YouTuber.
Right.
So that's what I do. I always stay on the outside, and Bargain Boo's headquarters is located in Crewe.
Okay.
I've travelled an hour to make a video about it. Put it on my YouTube channel. Security came over, nice as pie. Okay. I told him, I says, mate, I'm no threat, I'm staying outside, this is what I'm doing.
Okay.
All right, I'll leave you alone if you leave me alone. Okay. And then, Hi Viz Man came over, and I will be putting in a complaint about him.
For what reason?
Wow, the way he approached caused harassment, alarm and distress on a massive scale.
Right, okay. I think
Tom?
we've got them saying the same thing about yourself at the moment.
Yeah, well let's see, do you want to see some evidence?
I mean, at the minute, I'm hoping I can come to a result for both of you that doesn't involve anything crazy. You know, let's just try and be adult about all of it. I'll be honest, we don't come across drones very often, and that's something that I'm going to go and have to check on with the supervisor. And I will, because I'm not going to tell you what you can and can't do without knowing myself. However, what laws and what kind of guidance are you because you have to have like a pilot's license for your drone, don't you? I know that. Have you got all that officially with you? Okay.
The drip bit, what I'm going to do, I'm not going to tell you who I am or any YouTube channel or identify myself in any way, right? Because I don't have to, right? But what I will do, you're both PCs, aren't you?
Yeah, we are. Yeah.
What I will do...
If there's any issues, I can speak to your supervisor.
Yeah, there's not a sergeant on scene, is there?
Not on scene, no.
Right, this is the Civil Aviation Authority website.
Yeah.
It's the Drone and Model Aircraft Code. We all have to play by these rules.
Absolutely, hence why I've asked you about it, because you'll know more probably about that initially than me.
So the drone that I've got is a 249 gram drone, so it falls into this class here.
Okay.
The rule on minimum distances to people is different when flying small drones. Normally you can't get closer than 50 meters to people, but when it's a 249 gram drone, you can get closer.
Okay.
It says here, look, you can fly closer to people than 50 meters. So that's people. That's what Tom raised his concern, and he kept on coming up to me, so I had to walk backwards. 2 complaints that are going to be made against Tom and the yellow IBIS guy. Next thing, it's commercial properties. So keep at least 150 meters away from commercial properties unless you have a small drone.
Okay, which is 250 grams. Okay,
Yeah.
which is what yours
So
is.
small drones, you can fly small drones and model aircraft that are larger than 250 in residential.
Calm, lawful, and composed. That's how the auditor carries himself. He shows he not only understands his rights, but is even willing to cooperate if something questionable occurs. In contrast, the staff resort to yelling and tossing out wild threats about forklifts.
Get like there's been today, I just show them, say, look guys, calm down. I know it's not ideal for you, but remember when I always refer to the Google plane that went over on Google Maps. It's going to see exactly the same.
Yeah.
It's only for my YouTube channel. I'm creating a video. I'm not coming in. I'm no threat. If you've got other issues going on, then up your security, close your weaknesses. And if I spot anything, if I spot somebody trying to come in through the fence, I'll give you the footage, the evidence, but you can't stop me from outside doing a lawful activity.
Okay.
And that's what I normally
So
say.
what have you been doing with your drone exactly here? So where have you been flying it, or what have you been
All around bargain booths, over the top, everywhere possible around bargain
just
booths.
for bargain booths today?
Yeah, I'm doing AO next.
AO
I'm working my way
next.
down. I've just been to Bentley as well. I'm doing the whole area.
Okay. As I've said to you, and my colleague would probably say the same thing, we don't come across drones often, or the laws around it. That's not to say we can't find out, and we will, going out, obviously, and I respect you for telling me as you know it, because you fly it most often. We've come out to report of an aggressive male, okay, and we've come and actually find out the facts now we're here. Is that fair? Because obviously reports are often wrong, aren't they?
Please ask for the CCTV or some proof to show that I was aggressive.
At the
Please.
minute, I'm not really wanting to deal with it.
Well,
This is a huge misunderstanding, isn't it? I'd like to think it can be dealt with as adults, and we can kind of resolve it.
These have not been adults.
What?
I'm disgusted in the way
Okay.
they've behaved, to be honest.
Okay.
And I'd like to show you what happened.
If you've got the footage to show me, you're more than welcome to show us the footage. Absolutely. Can you do that now?
I certainly can,
If I
yeah.
just grab my work phone out the car then, and you get the footage up for me, that'd be fantastic.
Yeah,
Is that okay?
yeah.
What started as a simple
What began as a routine drone flight quickly spiraled into chaos. The footage tells the story clearly. One individual calmly explained his legal right to film, while staff responded with threats, intimidation, and a public outburst they'd soon regret. The auditor remained on public land, cited the law, kept his composure, and refused to be provoked. He documented everything. And when the police showed up, it wasn't the cameraman who needed a lesson, it was security. The officers did what should have been done from the start. They listened, reviewed the facts, and confirmed the law. No charges, no crimes, just the truth captured on video. In an instant, the narrative flipped. What began with "leave the property" ended with "you're free to continue." Here's the takeaway. When authority tries to suppress lawful actions, the camera becomes the strongest tool in the room. If you value rights, reason, and the power of the lens, make sure to subscribe. Stay alert, stay engaged, and check out the next video on screen.